Ever wish typing web addresses could be faster on your Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let's explore a hidden keyboard trick. To do so, open any app where you can use the keyboard, like when you are opening a note. Then tap the settings icon above the keyboard. Scroll down the screen. Tap layout. Scroll to the Spacebar style section and find web address input. Here you will see two options, full stop and www.or.com with switches next to them. Turn them on or off depending on your preference. For example, if you enable www.or.com case, typing a web address becomes much faster since you don't have to enter this part manually. So if you often type website URLs, enabling this case is a real-time saver. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.